Okay, as you see, we've got very similar background information here. You're finding the reference for a negative 4 pi over 3. Well, a full revolution is 2 pi, so which that would be 6 over 3. So if you started right here, you went all the way around, that would be 6 over 3. But 4 pi over 3 would start here, and this is 3/3. 1 pi is the same thing as 3/3, so that's a negative pi, negative 3/3, and we would go 1/3 more. So it would be located somewhere up in here. This was just left just so I could reference it. So the reference angle would be between there and this x-axis. And you've got an exactly negative 4/3 drawn here. Negative 240 is the same thing as negative 4/3. That's negative 3/3 plus 1/3 more. This would be what? That would be 60 degrees at 240. And if you subtracted 1 pi from 4/3 pi, remember 1 pi is 3/3, you're left with 1/3. So the reference angle is pi over 3, which of course does have the same measure as 60 degrees. But we would say that the reference angle is pi over 3 because the original angle was given to you in radians, so you would want the reference angle in radian. Remember, they're always positive between 0 and 90 if they're degrees, so they would always be positive between 0 and pi over 2. Just to help you with the fractions and so forth. Zeros like 0 over 6, pi over 3 is 2 pi over 6, and pi over 2 is 3 pi over 6. And you can see that that lies between the 0 and the 2 pi. Hope this helps.